going on? Got a line kicking across right there. Man, this it's like my nights always just creep right up on me because of this freaking chem watching. Never get to enjoy the evening, man. I'm always getting running around. Because it's like, you know, I wish some days were just, look, I wish the sky would go back to normal. Huh? Really do sometimes. Please go back to normal. See what we got going on. The scalar square's on the right side instead of the left today. It's on the right side. You can see right here when they got those real... Wow, doesn't that look like a flaming freaking bird? I'll take a picture of that. I'm gonna look for, whoa, I'm blind already. What's that flying? I think that was like a crow or a raven. Yeah, I can hear one over there. He just was like, rah, rah, rah. Right here, here's one. That's what I was looking for. Right here. Serpent egg. And something I noticed today, dude, which is really strange, okay? The shape of the teardrop shaped crafts, they're kind of oval, but it's not symmetrical. One side's got like a little tail on it, right? But I watched this video of these freaking butterflies or moths or something going through these cocoons and popping out. And whoa, hold on. It kind of reminded me of these things that I'm seeing in the sky here, and then that kind of reminded me of a term from the Bible called "locust from the pit," because also these locust type things go through this kind of a metamorphosis where they go into a cocoon. And I'm wondering, like literally, if they're really not really like cocoons, like the snake eggs are cocoons, and these are like freaking spirits. Like spirit creatures or something, man. But I don't really know for sure. What was crazy is, dude, that when I caught that one, look there's two of them right here. 1, 2. They're like meeting up. There's a square rectangle right there too. You can see a remnant of a chem right there. You can see the lines going across there. Waiting for a white snake to show up. It still has got the bird fucking shape. But actually, look. This right here looks like a big one. Teardrop shape, long tail. And like I said, see how it's hooked in with its tongue into the sun? And look, and it's creating a fucking image of a bird. Yeah, what is it called? Pareidolia or something like that. That's what they say this phenomena is. But no, it's like, look, there has always been shapes in the freaking clouds, but not like this. Okay? That's a boof argument. That you can chalk that up to pareidolia. You know what I'm saying? I mean, whether you don't think that looks like a bird, but look, that definitely has got that oval amoeba-shaped craft looking thing. Craft entity. Multi-dimensional wormhole shifter, I mean. I'm just taking some guesses here, shooting in the dark. Yeah, look at that, dude. Really strange. Oh. 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 Right here. We got some funny business going on there. Yeah, there's definitely, that looks like a craft. You see a circle with a white dot in it. Like I said, man, it really is. It's almost like freaking Predator. Like the Predator camouflage in it. Kind of takes on the environment of what's around it. Most of the time. I mean, I'm not... It's really... I'm not sure exactly what I'm looking at here, man. So... Didn't see these things. I mean, what would be crazy if they've always been there and we just never saw them before. Yeah, there's definitely some weirdness.